Hi friends, I am Dr. Shanmukh Kuchpad from Suresh Angadi Education Foundations, Angadi College of Commerce and Science, Sangha Road, Belgavi. Today we discuss one more new topic, that is mathematical induction and summation of a series, part 1. So basically we will begin with some of important formulae, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus so on to n minus 1. This is sum of odd terms, that is the first term is 1, next is 3, 5, 7. So last one is an odd number, it is represented by 2n minus 1. If I add all these number, we get an answer as a n square. That is sum of a first n odd integer is given by the expression n square. So one more, Sn equal to, it is 1 divided by a into a plus d. You can see the first factor a plus d, a plus 2d, like that. It is a arithmetic progression, that is a AP. Similarly, one more, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, like that, so on. See, it is arithmetic progression. Denominator, it is a arithmetic progression. It's sum of n terms, given by the expression Sn equal to n divided by a into a plus nd. Okay, these are two series frequently we are using, so take it as a note. Directly we will begin with an example. So first example, it is a sum of odd terms, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on to n minus 1. Just before only we have studied, so it is obviously sum of 1 to n minus 1 terms is n square. Therefore right option is n square. Option C, n square, is a right answer. Next example, sum of n terms of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 n terms it is. So here we observe that sum we have to calculate. If we take a 2 common, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, like this. So it is summation of 2 and it is a n, we can write it. So further, 2 is a constant, we take it outside, we get a summation n. 2 as it is, summation n, it is a sum of n natural numbers, that is given by the formula summation of n equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So we can substitute here 2n into n plus 1 divided by 2 it is. 2 get cancels. Therefore solution is n into n plus 1. That is option A, n into n plus 1 is a right answer. Next example, sum to n terms of the series 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Similarly, next term we can write it as, it is a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, like that. Okay, so we can write first nth term is equal to, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on. It is, there are n number of terms here. So just before we have studied sum of 1 to n terms is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now we need to calculate sum. So sum, we can take a symbolic representation S or Sn equal to, here it is a summation of n into n plus 1 divided by 2. 1 by 2 is a common, we'll take it outside. Summation, here it is multiply by n, we get summation of n square. One more, it is a summation of n into 1, we get a n like this. And summation of a n square, it is a standard formula. Summation of a n square, it is a n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 and whole divided by 6. And similarly, summation of a n is, it is a n into n plus 1 divided by, it is a 2. Okay, this is a standard formula. Then further we will simplify this. Simplifying, we get 1 divided by 12 is multiplied by, it is a n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 plus it is 3n into n plus 1, it is closing a bracket. Okay. Further we will simplify, so we get n divided by 12, n divided by 12 is multiplied by, it is multiplied by n plus 1 into 2n plus 4. Further we'll take 2 common from this factor and simplifying, we get 1 by 6 is multiplied by n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. Okay, we get this as an answer. So right option, n cube plus 3n square plus 2n divided by 6. Therefore option A is a right answer. Option A is a right answer. Now we'll move to our next example. It is 1 into 3 plus a 3 into 5 plus a 5 into 7. So this is in the form of a plus 2d like that. So it is a terms we are going to find out. A, next we have to add a 2 like that, so on it is. So a plus 2d, then a plus 4d, we get it. So for this there is a simple trick. So we have to write nth term. We have to write nth term equal to it is sum of odd terms, it is 1 3 5. So this can be written as 2n minus 1. Similarly 3 5 7, sum of n terms, this can be written as 2n plus 1. If you simplify this, this is of the form a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So we get 4n square minus 1 square 1. Further we need to find sum. So I take a Sn equal to summation of, it is a 4n square minus 1. Okay, so 4 is a constant as it is. Summation of a n square, there is one formula you have to remember, n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 whole divided by, it is a 6 and minus sign. Summation of a 1 you have to remember, answer is n. Okay, if you simplify this, so we get n divided by 3, it is 4n square plus 6n minus 1. Therefore option C is a right answer. Option C is a right answer. Next, it is a 2 into 4, 4 into 6, 6 into 8. So it is in arithmetic progression. So last example, example number 4, same procedure we have to use it, and there will be a simple trick for this. Okay, first we will write its nth term. It is 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. So we can take 2n, and here 4, 6, 8, every time there is an increment in a 2, so we can write 2n plus 2. Okay, you can verify. If you take a 1, we get a 2 and a 4. If you take n equal to 2, we get a 4 and 6 like that. Okay, here there is a one trick. Using that we will simplify. Sn equal to it is equal to 1 divided by, it is 3 into 2. Next we will take, there are two factors, we have to increase one, that is 2n into 2n plus 2. One more factor, here it is 2n plus 0, 2n plus 2, so it is 2n plus 4 it is, and close this bracket, and we have to add the constant c. Okay, this is only. Okay. Further we will simplify this one. For this we will put n equal to 1, so that if you put n equal to 1, we can find the solution for a c. Okay, so Sn we will take it as a first term, that is 2 into 4, and 1 by 3 into 2 as it is. Then further we get, taking n equal to 1, we get 2 into 4 into 6. Okay, plus a c. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 get cancels. On simplifying we get the value of c equal to, it is a 0, and we have to call this Sn as a equation 1. In this equation 1 we have to substitute c value, therefore equation 1 becomes Sn equal to, in this we have to substitute c equal to 0, we get 4 by 3. On simplifying, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 it is. Okay, so this is our answer. Therefore it is 4 by 3 n into n plus 1 n plus 2. Therefore option A is a right answer. Option A is a right answer. Example number 6, it is 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4. So we use a same trick here. We write nth term, this is equal to, it is 1 into 2, 1 2 3 like this, we can take a n. Next 2, it will become 3, 3 to 4, so just we write n plus 1. One more we will write n plus 2. Then using Sn equal to, it is 1 by 4 it is. Okay, 1 2 3, next it will be 4 like that. So n into, it is a n plus 1, n plus 2. I told you there are 3 factors, one more extra we have to take it, so it is without loss of a generality n plus 3. Then we have to add c over here, it is our c plus a c. I write it, I call it as a equation 1. Okay, further we will put the value of n equal to 1 it is. So I told you Sn means the first term, it is a 1 into 2 into 3, it is 1 by 4. Next, taking n equal to 1, we get 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 plus c. Here 4 get cancels and we get c value as 0. In equation 1, we have to substitute c value. So we get Sn as, I write here, 1 becomes. Okay, Sn equal to, it is 1 by 4 n into n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. Like this we get it. Close it. Therefore, option C, 1 by 4 into n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 is a right answer. Next example, 1 plus 2 by 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3, like that it is. So first step is we have to write nth term equal to, it is a summation n it is. So we have to take, go on increasing. Next term is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. So this is a sum of n terms. So I take numerator as a summation n and denominator it is a n. So ending value 4. So here it is a n I have taken. So further, summation n means we know the formula, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and this denominator n I write it as it is. So further, numerator n and denominator n get cancels, we get n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, further we will find sum of n terms. So Sn equal to, it is a summation of n plus 1 divided by 2. See, 1 by 2 is a constant, keep it outside. So we get summation of n plus a summation of 1 it is. Okay, further, okay, summation of n means it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and summation of 1, I told you it is a n. Okay, so if we simplify this expression, we get solution as n into n plus 3 divided by 4. Therefore right answer is n into n plus 3 divided by 4. Therefore option B is a right answer. Option B is a right answer. So we'll move to our next example. 1 cube divided by 1, 1 cube plus 2 cube divided by 1 plus 2, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. See, it is a sum of n terms. Okay, we have to calculate. Okay, for this, so we first write nth term. Okay, nth term, we have to write a nth term. Nth term is equal to, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3, like that. So earlier example we have taken summation n, but each and every term it is a cube, summation of n cube we can write it, whole divided by 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So we can write this as, it is a summation of n. I hope you have understood this. So further we need to simplify summation of n cube. You have to remember a formula, it is n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, and whole divided by summation of n, it is a n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, further I take a denominator reciprocal, so I get this as n square. Okay, or else you can cancel directly. N plus 1 whole square divided by 4 into, take a reciprocal of a denominator, 2 by n into n plus 1 here. We can cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 n get cancels, 1 n plus 1 get cancels. So we get answer as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So further we need to take the summation over here. So sum of a terms, that is s or sn, equal to 1 upon 2 constant, we keep it outside, n into n square. I write it as summation n square, n into 1 n, so I take it as a summation n. Okay. Further 1 by 2 as it is, summation of a n square, it is a n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6, and summation n is, it is a n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 it is. So further we need to simplify this. So LCM is 12, so we get 1 by 12, n into n plus 1, we take a common, we left with 2n plus 1, and this one LCM 3, 2n plus 1 plus 3 here, like this. Here we have to multiply by 3, here we have to multiply by 1, so it is a 3. Okay. So if we simplify it further, we get n into n plus 1 n plus 2 whole divided by, it is a 6. This is our Sn. Okay, this is our Sn. Therefore right option is n into n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by 6, that is option D is a right answer. Option D is a right answer. Okay. Yes. We'll move to our next example. The sum of 1 cube divided by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube divided by 1 plus 2, like that we have a third term. Now we have to write sum of 10 terms. So procedure is, it is similar to our previous example, little bit of difference. So first step we have to write nth term. After writing nth term, we need to simplify and then take a summation. We have to find sum of a n terms. Okay, yes, n we have to calculate. After that we are interested in getting 10th term, so n we have to replace it by 10, so we get sum of 10 terms. Okay, sum of 10 terms, so we will get it that. Okay, right. So first step we'll write the nth term. So nth term equal to, so you are familiar with this, so 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 2 cube, we can write it as summation of a n cube. Okay, you understood why we have taken it is a sum of n terms, summation n cube. Denominator, it is 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 plus 3, therefore it is a addition of terms, so we take a summation n. Okay. After that, summation of a n cube, you have to remember this formula, so many times we are using, it is a n square into n plus 1 whole square, right, divided by 4, and whole divided by summation of a n is, it is a n into n plus 1, it is a divided by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are, here only I cancel it, 1 n plus 1 1 n plus 1 get cancels, 1 n and 1 n get cancels, so we get this as n plus 1 into n divided by 2. Okay, further we will take a sum of a terms, that is Sn equal to 1 by 2, it is a constant, I keep it outside Next, n into n square. So I write summation n square. Next, 1 into n, here it is n, so I take it as summation n. Okay, see further 1 by 2 as it is, summation of n square, so it is a n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6, and summation of a n is, it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 okay. So this is equal to, take a LCM, it is 1 by 12, and common is n into n plus 1. If I take it that n into n plus 1, so inside a bracket we left with 2n plus 1 is added with the 3. Okay, so because you know it is into 3 we have to make, and here it is into 1. Okay, directly 2 steps I have made it simplification. Then further Sn equal to, so simplifying we get n into, it is n plus 1 into n plus 2 whole divided by 6. This is our Sn. But see, we want sum of n terms, therefore I take the value of n equal to 10. So now we'll take the value of n equal to 10. Okay, n equal to, we'll take n equal to 10. So we get 10 into, it is a 10 plus 1 11 into 10 plus 2, it is a 12 divided by 6. So if you simplify this, we get 220 as an answer. Therefore sum of 10 terms, it is a 220. Option B 220 is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Sum to n terms of a series, it is 1 divided by 2 into 5, 1 divided by 5 into 8. So we use the second trick here, right? So it is of the form 1 by a into some a plus d, like that. So its solution is given by, it is n divided by a into a plus n d, it is a plus n d. Okay, so we'll use the same formula. Here it is n divided by a into a plus n d. Okay, so here the value of a is 2. This is our a is 2, and 2 and 5, we can see clearly that 2 and 5 difference is 3. So d equal to, we get it as a 3. So this value we have to substitute. So we get n divided by, it is a 2 into 2 plus 3n. Okay, so this is our answer. Therefore n divided by 2 into 2 plus 3n, that is option C, n by 2 3n plus 2 is a right answer. Okay, right. Similarly, example number 11, 1 divided by 1 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5 into 7, so on up to n terms. So it is also, it is a similar to a last example. 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus t, a plus 2d. So nth term is given by the expression n divided by a into a plus nd. Okay, we'll write it a directly formula. n divided by a into a plus nd like this. So now we will write a. Yes, all of you are familiar with this. So a equal to 1. Then what is a common difference? It is a second term minus first term. 3 minus 1, that is d equal to 2 it is. So this value we have to substitute. So we get this as n divided by 1 into 1 plus 2d. Okay, so we get n divided by, sorry, not a d, it is a n, 1 plus it is 2n. Therefore option B, n divided by 1 plus 2n is a right answer. Okay, in this class we have studied about infinite series and mathematical induction. So next class, one more session, we will discuss the same concept. Okay, thank you everyone.